Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Your Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 49. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lu Shishao and Lu Wei. Since Lu Wei trying to wash her fans, she continued to wash it. And now, finally, Lu Shishao and Xian already done on talking. Lu Shishao, she was holding the book regarding adulting and remembering what Xian said to her. Do I need to do it for me? Well, back then, Xian, she was really happy teasing her so much. And Lu Shishao can do anything about it. But right now, can she really do it? It seems that she was really hesitating. Psychological knowledge is very important, so be sure to give Nunu a proper talk about it. Xian said to her, well, this little mother, right now, she was really worried about Lu Wei. When she get inside, she see Lu Wei still washing the pants. Girl, don't wash it, I will buy you a new one. Lu Wei said to her, oh, Mom has something to tell you. Lu Shishao, right now, she looks really serious. The little kid is really willing. Hear what she said. Nunu today is called menstruations, which means that from today, Nunu is a big child. She's trying to say more, but right now, she really get fuss. And Lu Wei, look at her, she looks really distressed. Lu Wei said, Mom, I know. Well, probably Lu Wei has a knowledge. Because also her classmates is also habit. But it makes sense to Lu Shishao. Mr. Everman, which means that it is possible to have a baby. And many girls in our class already have it also. So this is it. That's why Louise knows it. Well, it was good that she has some knowledge, so Lucia won't be embarrassed anymore to tell her about the baby thing. At this age of child, everything is fresh to them. Right now, it turns out, Nunu, she really need to talk to her well. Nunu, the psychological structures between men and women is different. Don't touch cold water during menstruations and don't overwork. Clean sanitary napkins frequently. Lu Wei, she's been taught so hard. Lu Shishao, little girl, can be by your side anytime. So that's why Lu Shishao is informing her to do things. That is right. She cannot be tricky. That's why she was really eager tell her trivial things like this. So, you must learn to protect yourself. You can play with boys at school, but you can have physical contact to them. So, this is the one reason. That's why Lu Shishao. So Lu Wei, she cannot be tricky. If a boy forcibly touches you, you will push him hard. Do you understand right now? Oh, what a mother. She was really overprotective. Also, Mom, you're the most important person in this world. I will be obedient. Right now, Lu Wei is hugging Lu Shishao, trying to make a baby. Well, she was really cute now. She become adulthood. Nunu is also the most important person in the whole world for Mom. And Lu Shishao really holds her. Now, the two of them are hugging each other. And Lu Shishao, she seems to be a little bit worried. Right now, she was still holding the book. I knock on the several times and no one is opening the door. Are you not at home? Shishao, it turns out, she wanted to return back the book on Xian. But when she was knocking on her door, right now there's no one answering on the door. Well, maybe Xian, she go out. It makes sense to Lu Shishao. She turned back. Acting, she was going back to her home. Suddenly, the door is open. I will come back next time. Shishao said to her, but when she looked back, she's seeing Xian. She seems to be surprised by the presence of Xian. She was knocking too much a few minutes ago, but right now this girl suddenly appeared in front of her. Well, is she really teasing her again? Looking at her, it seems that she is finishing taking a bath. When she looked at her, she was calling her Jo. Jojo is the nickname Xian gave her to her. She can call her Jo. But hearing this, Lu Shishao suddenly became pause. She was looking at her. Seeing Xian finish taking a bath right now, looking at her, Xian, she was really calmed down. Well, she was pertaining if she was finished teaching Lu Wei basic things about menstruation. how to do things that necessary when she having a period. Lu Shishao said to her, Now Xian, she was holding the book. Also, Lu Shishao, she was still holding the book. There is something I want to tell you, Lu Shishao said to Xian. Right now, Xian, she seems to be puzzled. What could it be? What is the important thing that Lu Shishao suddenly wants to tell her? Xian, she seems to be rattled and said to her, What's wrong? Well, Xian, of course. She is always worried about her. Also to Lu Wei. That's why right now she was really serious. I promised you to be a model last times and I'm going to make a film during the Chinese New Year. Oh, this is the topic. Xian, right now, she was sitting beside her. Lu Shishao said to her, Can you change the time? Oh, this is what she meant. She want to move the time. So, she is busy on that time. It makes sense to Xian and said to her, Yes, you're usually so busy. You can spend more time with your children during the holidays and you can make movies anytime. Xian said to her. Looking at her, she seems to be worried. Agrees so happily this time. Oh, maybe she really misinterprets Xian. She was really expecting more from her. But right now, she was feeling guilt. Xian, I'm sorry, I clearly promised you. But it's like right now, she was breaking her promise to her. Well, looking at Lu Shishao, she really feels so sad. Also, she really feels guilty. Xian, she really wanted to trick her and said, So, how are you going to compensate me? She will always ask like this. She think on herself that, is this a compensation? Xian kissed her, asked for compensation, but right now, Xian means she really want to kiss her again. Lu Shishao and Xian, the two of them become silent. Well, no one is speaking, only they looking at each other. But right now, Xian, she was always been tricky to her. Of course, she will always demand things on her. But for Lu Shishao, she was really happy to get this by Xian. Well, let's see then, what will happen when she really restrain herself. Right now, Xian, moving closer to her. Of course, she was thinking something. She really get fussed. Right now, she already think. So right now, she was thinking something against Xian. That's why she really gets shy. Hey guys, thanks for supporting this channel. Fake Bean, Someone Luster. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, we can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!